You see this guy? He's been in here for like the last 2 days. And he's got a friend somewhere out here looking for him. Josh, what'd you do to him?
Man, I scared that thing.
He's like, he's got a shovel.
He's got a shovel. You gotta get close to that guy.
What are you guys working on?
Today, we're just gonna get these posts cut off for height, and then we're gonna set one of our logs up there. Get an idea what we're looking at.
All right, so how big are we looking at?
It's gonna be 26 foot out by, I think it's 50 foot long.
So where's the door gonna be?
Well, we're gonna cut into that window opening over there. We're gonna take that out and make it a wide opening into the existing office, and then we'll probably just have like a door here in the center.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have a, we're gonna put an overhead door on this end, so when like
when we're bringing stuff
furniture,
in,
we can bring it right through that door there. But yeah, the main door will probably still come through that way, but we'll have a door on this spot as well. But I gotta get these posts cut off for our header to sit on, and then from there we can build the roof outward. So nice rainy day to work on that.
Yeah, right.
So we finally get around starting to put the beams up yesterday, and it's just been nasty weather out. It's like not rainy enough to stop work, but you can work through it, but it's cold and wet, man. It sucks, but we gotta bust through it because we gotta get this project done. We need to open our showroom. So we got the header beam up yesterday. Now the thing is, this originally last year we were planning to just build a dry shed here to store lumber. And since then, we decided to actually expand it into more showroom space. So we're gonna add, to make it deeper, another set of posts and another header to build our roof out farther out. But I gotta cut into the concrete. So that's, on this rainy, drizzly day, that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta cut out, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. So let's get started.
The next day.
Go to the bottom. Go to the right here. The rest of these are nice and straight, but this one. Okay, now that will hold itself. Not too bad. Not too bad.
I think this pole probably needs to go outward.
It looks like it'll leave it in. Yeah. We're all level, and I put them in last week. Oh, see, that one needs to push in a little bit. Yeah, that makes sense.
Dad,
So,
where's that nice wood?
wow, nice wood, dude. It's huge. Nice chunk. Yeah, because I'm hardly gonna have to push it.
Yeah.
So I'll have you hold the level on it. I'm barely gonna go forward. Then we're gonna try to like just pack the dirt a little bit to it. Yep. Back off a little bit. A little more. Right there. I wonder if we should just try to raise it out. It'll be close enough for at the moment. Oh yeah, then put it right off the string just right. Good? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move that. Yep, that looks good now. Good. Looks rough right now, but once I peel them, they'll look nice.
You peeling it up here?
What's that?
I see you gonna peel it up here?
Yeah, I should probably do it ahead of time, but it's one of those things where I'm like waiting to peel it afterwards, and it'll be 10 times harder to do it when it's standing up. But I just want to get it up right now, you know?
Exactly.
But we'll use this one.
Wait, so you're gonna peel it standing up?
Yeah, but this stuff is so rough. They make like peeling like grinder discs where they have like cutter knives on it.
Oh.
So they're gonna buy one of those and then we can just use it. Because like this stuff would be nasty on my draw knife.
Well, because that's what I was gonna ask was like, how does that work on the draw knife? Because this is a different type of log than.
In this gross creosote, I mean, it's like gum. Oh, look at
Oh
that.
gosh.
Once it's hot, it just starts. But it's all pressure treated, so we can put it in the ground, you know, so it don't rot away. But
Right.
yeah, they make like little discs with planer cutter knives, and they like you can shape wood and stuff. So I'm like, I'm just gonna get one of those.
You got a splitter? You just barely touched it.
No, not now. It's from out over there.
Oh. All right, well. Let's see how it is about to go.
Hey, Charlie! Hey, Charlie!
Charlie!
Charlie! You can do it with one guy, but it's easier with two. You need your hand. Yep. So, Charlie, we're just gonna have one guy on each side. I'll get over to drop it in. Pretty much, we're just putting it in the center of the hole because this way isn't super critical because the header is so flat all the way across. But we got to drop it in and lean it back to the string and then see, put the level on it and decide if we need to like do the gas end up one way or another.
Oh no, man, that acid. There we go.
Freaking all that water in there.
Is that from the rain?
Yeah. But once we put the gravel in, it'll push it out. Okay, so. Okay, try that. It's always one way. Okay, barely wedge the bottom this way. Just
Toward you?
Yep, just. Whoop.
There we go. Probably too much.
Pretty much right on point.
All right, Zach, what you got going on over here today?
I'm getting our layout done. So these are our rafter beams here.